Hello, and welcome to an introduction to the ERIC database. I am Jennifer DeMonte, and this tutorial is intended to introduce you to one of the highly regarded databases in the field of education. As graduate students, many of you will be familiar with databases from your undergraduate studies. However, if you are returning to school after a long period working on your career perhaps, let me give you a little background. A database is, in the most general sense, a collection of data that is organized for easy retrieval. Databases can house data about any number of things, from heirloom seed varieties to images of ancient artifacts. The databases that will serve your needs as researchers will contain the full text of scholarly or peer-reviewed articles and reports or other non-journal sources. So what is ERIC, and how can ERIC help with your research? ERIC stands for Education Resources Information Center. It is a large database consisting of educational research and information sponsored by the Institute of Education Sciences, which is part of the U.S. Department of Education. Part of ERIC's mission is to provide broad access to education research in a user-friendly, timely, and efficient manner. To make this possible, the U.S. government provides free access to ERIC's digital library through eric.ed.gov. Unfortunately, access to full articles for many publications is limited from this access point. However, if you use ERIC via EBSCO, which you can access through San Jose State University's King Library, then you will have access to a more complete set of full-text articles. If the full text of an article you need is not available through ERIC, don't fret. Consider using Interlibrary Loan or ILLiad. It's easy and rarely takes more than a day or two to retrieve the information you are looking for. For more information on using ILLiad, find the Interlibrary Loan link on King Library's homepage. ERIC currently indexes approximately 1,000 education journals and over 750 non-journal sources or gray materials from nonprofit organizations, state and federal agencies, and professional associations. All told, ERIC has over 1.6 million records and links to over 750,000 full-text documents dating back to 1966. The wide variety of sources and source types such as conference and policy papers, dissertations, and curriculum and teaching guides, alongside traditional research materials like journal articles and books, make ERIC an essential tool for education researchers of all stripes. Unlike many of the other major education databases, ERIC also allows researchers to limit search results by education level, from early childhood education to specific grade levels, all the way through postdoctoral education. Another time-saving search limiter is to filter by intended audience. Whether your research has you asking questions about administration, counseling, or policymaking, ERIC can help you find the most relevant resources for your needs. See the basic and advanced search tutorials for more information on these topics. Finally, ERIC has created a thesaurus of nearly 12,000 terms, which is regularly maintained in order to keep up with current terminology used throughout the field of education and to reflect changing attitudes. By continually updating and adding to this set of descriptors and synonyms, the ERIC Thesaurus ensures that users have the best chance of retrieving all relevant information related to their queries. I will describe how to use ERIC's Thesaurus to enhance your research in the advanced search tutorial. Until then, I hope this video has given you some insight into how ERIC will help you meet your needs as an education researcher.